Did you know your favorite loaf of bread starts its journey long before it hits the oven? With ancient civilizations and powerful machines? Flour is a humble ingredient, yet it holds a central place in kitchens and cuisines across the globe. Its story is woven into the very fabric of human civilization, stretching back to the earliest days when our ancestors first discovered the transformative power of ground grain. Imagine ancient peoples gathering wild grasses, laboriously crushing seeds between stones, and savoring the new textures and flavors this process unlocked. Over time, this simple innovation would shape diets, enable new recipes, and even influence the course of history through the rise and fall of empires dependent on the reliable harvest of grains. Fast forward to today, and the journey of flour begins on sprawling fields that ripple with golden waves of wheat. Modern wheat farming is a blend of tradition and technology. Farmers must be attuned to the rhythm of the land, monitoring soil health and adjusting planting schedules to harmonize with the seasons. Advanced weather tracking tools help them anticipate rainfall and drought, while soil sensors guide decisions about irrigation and fertilization. Every stage, from planting to tending, is vital to ensure a robust crop that meets the strict standards of today's flour industry. As harvest time approaches, the wheat fields are alive with anticipation. Enter the combine harvester, an impressive feat of engineering that has revolutionized how wheat is gathered. With broad rotating reels and precisely calibrated cutting blades, the combine sweeps across the fields, slicing stalks close to the earth. Inside, a complex system of rotating drums and vibrating screens separates the valuable wheat kernels from the chaff and straw. The entire process happens in a seamless flow, the harvested grain moving through augers and conveyors before being loaded into waiting trucks. These trucks, filled to the brim with fresh wheat, rumble down rural roads toward the next stage of the journey, the milling facility. Here, the wheat is funneled underground via high-speed conveyor belts, beginning a transformation that balances efficiency, precision, and food safety. Before any milling can occur, the wheat undergoes a rigorous cleaning process. Magnets remove stray bits of metal, air currents lift away dust and lighter debris, and sieves filter out stones and other impurities. Only the purest grains make it through to the next stage. Cleaned wheat is then stored in massive silos, towering structures engineered to maintain optimal temperature and humidity. These conditions are crucial to prevent spoilage, preserve flavor, and protect the grain from pests and mold. Inside the silos, batches of wheat are meticulously cataloged and blended, depending on their type and protein content. Hard wheat, with its high protein levels, is often destined for bread flour, while softer varieties are blended for cakes and pastries. Every blend is tailored to meet the specific needs of millers, bakers, and food manufacturers. The heart of the process is milling, where centuries-old principles meet state-of-the-art technology. The grain enters the mill and is fed between massive steel rollers that crush it, cracking the hard outer shell and exposing the starchy interior. This first pass separates the wheat into three main components: the fibrous bran, nutrient-rich germ, and starchy endosperm. Each part has its own value, but it's the endosperm that will become the fine white flour so prized by bakers. After the initial grinding, the ground wheat passes through a series of sifters, large vibrating machines fitted with mesh screens of varying fineness. The flour is separated according to particle size, with the finest particles falling through first. Coarser fragments are sent back for further grinding, repeating the cycle until only the softest, lightest flour remains. This process can take several passes and is carefully monitored at each step to maintain consistency and quality. At the end of this process, the flour achieves its signature silky texture, often measured between 200 and 212 microns, a testament to the precision of modern milling. But the journey doesn't stop here. Some flours are enriched with vitamins and minerals, restoring nutrients lost during processing. Others are blended further to achieve special properties, such as higher gluten content for chewy breads or lower protein for tender cakes and pastries. Once the flour is ready, it moves to the packaging stage. Automated systems fill bags of every size, from small packets destined for supermarket shelves to giant sacks bound for large-scale bakeries and food manufacturers. Each package is sealed, labeled, and traced, ensuring food safety and traceability from the farm to your kitchen. Flour's versatility is truly remarkable. In the hands of a skilled baker, it becomes the foundation for crusty artisan loaves, delicate pastries, pillowy cakes, and so much more. Each recipe is a testament to the journey of the grain, from sun-drenched fields to the heart of your home. Even the simple act of dusting your countertop with flour, kneading dough, or stirring batter is a continuation of traditions that span millennia. So, the next time you savor a slice of warm bread, a flaky croissant, or a soft pancake, pause for a moment to consider the incredible journey that humble flour has made, from patient farmers tending their crops, to the awe-inspiring machinery that harvests and mills the grain, to the careful blending and packaging that delivers it to your pantry. Every step is a testament to human ingenuity and the timeless bond between people and the earth. Flour might seem like an ordinary ingredient, but it is, in fact, extraordinary. It carries with it the legacy of ancient civilizations, the dedication of modern farmers, and the artistry of countless bakers. Each spoonful holds the history of invention, adaptation, and creativity. In kitchens everywhere, flour continues to inspire, nourish, and bring people together, one delicious creation at a time. So next time you enjoy a slice of bread or a fluffy cake, ask yourself, how many steps did it take to get that perfect spoonful of flour?